We got the band back together. We're out here looking at this new property we got.
You did it, son. You did it. I'm proud of you, son. I love you, son.
I love you.
I know it's just a turkey, but it's not just a turkey. We able to be together, and I love you, son.
Talk to the camera. What's up, camera? We're about to go down this road bed, cross this fence, and get on the back side of these turkeys. Yesterday the property was new to us, so we didn't know where the turkeys were roosted. But today we're gonna go around the turkeys and beat them to where they want to be, and put the smack down on them. What do you think today, Billy?
Oh, I think it's gonna be a good day. Hear that hoot owl? Owl's hawk calling. Stars are shining. Just a little bit of a breeze, so anything like yesterday anyways. Hope we didn't wear them out yesterday.
I'm glad we could talk you into coming to hunt with us today.
Yeah, right. that gate, according to that gate begins our property again. Yeah, right? I thought so, but this right here's a different name. Yeah, that's a little bitty short. It says ours is just... Okay, we're on the left is ours. Yeah. On the right's not. I'm trying to get us to right there. There, that's the one I heard the first one. It's right down there. Start easing out that stuff. I was. Start easing in. We can do that. We can sit right there against that tree.
Yeah, he could come to that band.
I think he's gonna come right there.
Yeah, try to work up
You
here.
can kill him right there.
Yeah.
Oh, I ain't gonna worry about putting out a decoy. I don't think that's gonna. I mean, I could put the decoy out here to the right, just in case that he doesn't work out. If he wants.
He sounds older though. I feel like he's gonna go this up on the road.
The tree there. I think they'll come right this way. You want a decoy or just forget the decoy?
I say forget him. We're in the woods. We're good. You ready?
Can you film over it now? Break up our outline.
We hunted this property yesterday. We had a bird hung up on this road bed. So this morning we got in here early. We got set up. We have several gobblers around us just tearing it up. So we're gonna see if we can get one dead early this morning. We got up in his grill this morning. He won't be able to handle it, I don't think.
And more gobblers than you heard yesterday.
On this side.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's a little closer. Yeah, he's gonna crest right in front of you. like he moved that way a little bit. Just throw that behind you, brother. Come on. I can hear him drumming.
Oh, yeah, he's right here, Billy. He's right here. He's gonna swing to the left, yeah, I think so.
Let me know when, Dylan. Let me know when, Dylan. Okay.
What you doing, man? That's the way I first seen it.
We didn't even know he was there till I hit that box call.
He gobbled right there.
When I hit that box right there, I said, "Chop, chop, 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 chop."
Yeah, and
I said, "Holy moly!"
Yeah.
They done let him get up in there. Holy!
yeah, we was watching him and he come across right there.
He was on a. He was tracking
Quick.
Oh wow!
Oh, you see that?
I
Those
think
dirt
we had
marks?
was just 24 pounds.
You see those that dirt right there? That's where he was standing when he got shot. He didn't move.
Peppered it, man.
Oh yeah.
Good shot.
I love that.
Man, you go for that ball. Fat ball.
I guarantee he has it. Did you feel him?
Yeah, he's very heavy. Usually we like,
I bet he's close. I bet if he ain't 24, he'd be close to it. I bet.
he's heavy for sure. It's gonna take me all I got to hold him.
Must be that blood all over.
It's somewhere you got the picture.
That last gobble he did, felt it in your soul. That was one of those.
Yeah, he was right here.
He was like 45, and he,
I said, I know y'all heard that.
yeah.
We heard all
Well, I'm glad I saw him move before he did that, because if he would have did that, we would all been like,
Oh yeah.
yeah, we would have freaked out.